you. Oh, yeah, show the back. We're gonna fill up the 240 now. We're gonna bring it into the driveway and fill it up with the shirts that we got here. Giveaway shirts. Let's do it.
Ladies, get your man who carries everything.
Puro basura. That's how you leave it. Hey, help me put the seat down. There we go. Bruh.
That really did so much.
Will it fit? Booyah! A leaf fell in your butt crack?
Yeah.
Crazy. Damn!
Ah! Do you like my car?
Dude, it looks sick as fuck. What are you talking about?
Just bought it. Off the lot.
Bro, it's a huge upgrade from your FRS for
I know,
sure, dude.
exactly, bro. This thing's fast.
Jamal.
They sold my car.
Nah.
They did.
They did?
Okay, so what happened is that they're like, the 24th is the final day you can pick up your car. I'm like, cool. So I've been on the phone with them constantly for the past week, and I'm like, I'm gonna come by and pay, and then I'm gonna pick up the car. They're like, yeah, come pay the amount, and then you can pick up the car. And then I found out from the tow yard, because I was gonna ask them about the storage fees, and they said, they're like, oh, we don't have that car anymore. I was like, what? Where is it? We sold the car. Like, the bank sold the car. They authorized it to sell. And I was like, what? They sold my car like 7 days before the deadline. They sold it illegally.
Yeah, you gonna sue them or what?
I'm trying to, yeah.
Hello. Hey, what do you drive, dude?
I got the car.
Damn!
Oh, that looks sick!
Actually looks really good. Hey, what do you do for a living, bro?
I just sell stuff, man. That's all I can say.
Okay,
Cool.
thank you.
Yeah.
Cool.
Thank you for
Thank you.
coming.
Okay, so you have the poles, right?
Yeah.
And you have the
tickets.
the seat.
You got the tickets in the back.
The
Seat is
flags.
clean? Seat is clean?
Seat's clean.
Damn, dog. Shit. What's up?
Hey, what do you do for a living? Dude!
I don't really do anything. I'm unemployed, man.
Okay.
He just sped past and I was like, stop. Stop. What's up, Rob? Are you just come to pick it up or what?
Unfortunately, yeah.
Sir, what do you do for a living?
What do you do for the
Porn.
Oh my
Nice.
god. Dude, I've seen his face somewhere.
I knew you looked familiar. There you go.
Hey, they're sick as fuck.
They are sick.
Fucking trash, dog.
Dude, what are you talking? Hey,
Whoa.
Wow, you're not even gonna open it and like look at it and shit? It's fine. It's fine, it's fine. It's fine, bro. I'm out.
Oh shit, late crew.
Is your AC working?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Bro, it's better than my fucking Camry. Like,
Fucking 99 Corolla, let's
dude,
go.
I want a fucking 99 Corolla.
Yeah.
We're heading to the meet now. We gotta get there early because people come an hour early to the meet anyways, you know? Just came early to like start setting up. I gotta get my vanilla sweet cream cold brew. It's shit good. I might get a croissant too. I don't know.
You mean more than just one sandwich?
Dude,
Caffeine.
no.
Thank you so much.
I think we can start setting up. Just bring out the stuff. That way it saves some time.
Who said 240s don't have a big trunk? Who said?
Nice car, I love it.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Which one's yours?
I didn't bring it actually. Sorry, mine's been repoed.
Darn.
Sucks. Yeah.
That shit's sick.
Damn, the whole setup.
That sound on lock.
Here she is. Here she is. Look at her. It's a swap. Oh yeah. Love it. It's gonna be a lot of fun.
Scratch marks all over, bro.
Huh?
I need a wrap. I need a wrap.
Thanks for coming,
Oh,
y'all.
and that's a wrap.